Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Morning.
I would like to thank Mr. Mara Untung as the lecturer of the English Communication course. Hopefully, today can be a productive and conducive day to discuss the interesting topic of selecting and writing news. This topic is very interesting because news is one of the effective ways to convey information to the public. By understanding how to select and write good news, we can improve our communication skills and become more effective in conveying message. But before that, allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Tiffany Aurel as moderator, and my friend Evelyn, presenter 1, presented material about definition of news. My friend Angelia, presenter 2, presented material about characteristics of selecting news. My friend Arnila, presenter 3, presented material editing, designing, and publishing news. And my friend Koiro Nisa, presenter 4, presented material about how to write news. During the presentation, we hope that friends can ask only 3 questions and discuss actively. We also hope to create a conducive and productive atmosphere so that we can gain useful knowledge. The background of this topic in the increasing importance of news in everyday life. With the advancement of technology, news can be accessed and shared easily. Therefore, we need to understand how to choose and write good news in order to convey accurate and effective information. Let's start this presentation. The next material will be delivered by my friend Evelyn about definition of news. Evelyn, please welcome.
Thank you to the moderator. Here I will present the first material about definition of news. Definition of news is a report related to events that occur and want to be known in general, are actual, have occurred within the reader's environment, relate to prominent figures, and the consequences of this event can affect a reader. News is information that is important and attracts attention and attracts the interest of the audience, or according to Paul de Messenger. Next, I will back to moderator. Thank you.
Thank you to Evelyn. Next, my friend Angelia, presenter 2, presented material about characteristics of selecting news.
Okay, thank you to moderator. I will present about the characteristic of selecting news. First, actual. News must be actual, be based on real event, not imagination. Facts are true and hard to deny. Second, actual. News must be actual. It should be about something new or include new information about old event. Factual means based on reality, while actual means it is recent or update. Third, interesting and useful. News must be interesting and useful. Interesting news usually involves important people or affects many people. News can inform, entertain, or build empathy. Finally, universe. News must be universe. Journalists must be objective, only reporting what really happens without talking sides. I will back to moderator. Thank you.
Thank you, Angelia. Next, presenter 3, Arnila, presented material editing, designing, and publishing news.
Okay, thank you to the moderator for the time. Alright everyone, I'm going to present my material on editing, design, and publishing news. Let's explore how news goes from raw information to a well-designed and publishing story. See, editing, design, and publish news. Journalist is gathering news, material or coverage, reporting event or reporting, writing news or reading, editing news script or editing, and presenting or disseminating news, or publishing or broadcasting through the media. Broadly speaking, journalistic product or works are 1. News. News is an event report. 2. Opinion. or view. Opinion is writing containing opinion, judgment, talk, or analysis about problem or event. 3. Features. Feature is writing that combines fact and opinions or writing typical of literacy. Works such as short story or novels. The result of the journalistic process or news writing can be obtained through the mass media, which are divided into their type, namely 1. Print media or print media consists of newspaper or newspaper daily publication, magazine, and tabloids. 2. Electronic media or electronic media consists of broadcasting, radio, television, and films. 3. Cyber media. Cyber media is mass media on the internet known as online media, news sites, news portal, news websites, or online media. That's the end my explanation. Thank you very so much. I will not head back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Arnila. Next, to my friend Koirunisa, presented material about how to write news.
Thank you to moderator. The how to write news. How to write news, namely 1. Title determination. The first thing you should pay attention to when writing news is the cause of title. Make it one of the basic starters of news writing. You may not choose a title that does not make the content of the news you write. In addition, you should also write a title that can make readers curious about the content of your writing. In other words, the title of the news you write must be short, concise, and clear. Also, make news you write title does not offend one party or contains elements of alluding to Sarah. 2. Pay attention to lead. The lead is the first sentence of the story you write. Writing a lead that can summarize the entire content of the news and is easy to understand and arresting is very important. Thus, the reader will have a brief overview of the content of the news. To improve your writing skills, you can keep writing summarizing. In addition, you can also look for references, for example, of news texts that are now widely circulating on the internet. 3. Use of 5W and H. 5W, what, when, why, who, where. And 1H, how are the most important basic news writing. News texts should contain all these elements. Although sometimes one element looks more interesting to review, but you can forget the other elements. Remember, news that has complete, factual, and clear element is one example of great news writing. In the, in the process of searching for information, it is necessary to record important things regarding the news to be written. In recording news writing, it can be guided by 5W1H commands, namely what event happened, who is involved in the event or occurrence, where the event or incident, when the event or incident, why the event or incident, how the process of occurrence of event and events. 4. Do research for news content. Next, one of the important steps for you to do before writing news content is to do research. You can search for news that is currently hot and much talked about by the public. Then look for sources of information related to the news that you like. Make sure the source is trustworthy and does not provide false of manipulated data. Next, you can include the data and information you get in the news you write. 5. Include quotes and links. Next, you can fill in a link for I'm back to moderator.
That's all the learning we convey. It's time for the question and answer session. If there are 3 questions, please raise your Questioner 1 to Saskia, I invite you.
Okay, thank you to my presenter group. I'm Zaskia. My question is, in today's era of cyber media, how can journalists maintain news accuracy when speed of publication is often prioritized? Thank you.
Okay, guys, any questions? Okay, to Lorenza, I invite you.
Thanks for moderator. My question, what are the final steps the media must take before publishing news, and how do media ensure that the process continue to comply with the principles of journalistic ethics? Thank you.
Okay, thank you to Lorenza for your question. And next questioner, for Miana, I invite you.
Okay, thanks to moderator. My question, in the context of increasing misinformation of the internet,
Group for waiting a minute to answer your question. Thank you. Okay, thank you guys for waiting for us to discuss your answer. To my friend Evelyn to answer Saskia question.
Thank you to the moderator. Here I will answer question from Zaskia. The question is, in today's era of cyber media, how can journalists maintain news accuracy when speed of publication is often prioritized? The answer is, in today's era of cyber media, maintaining news accuracy amid the pressure of rapid publication requires a strong commitment to responsible journalism principles. Journalists must verify facts from multiple reliable sources before releasing a story. Utilizing technologies such as automated fact-checking tools can assist, but manual verification remains crucial. Additionally, media organization should enforce strict editorial standards and provide continuous training for journalists to uphold information integrity, understanding that speed must not compromise truth is key to preserving public trust. Next, I will back to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you to Evelyn for answering the question, and to questioner Saskia, are you accept our answer?
Okay, thank you. I can understand the answer.
Okay, thank you. Next to my friend Arnila to answer Lorenza question.
Okay, thank you to the moderator. I will now try to answer Lorenza's question. What are the final steps that media must take before publishing news, and how do media ensure that the process continues to comply with the principle of journalistic ethics? Before publishing news, media must verify facts through multiple reliable sources and have stories reviewed by editors to prevent error or bias. The upload journalistic ethic, media must follow strict editorial guidelines, provide regular ethical training for journalists, and ensure a system for correction. Honesty, accuracy, and accountability are essential for priorities in the publication process. I return it to the moderator.
Okay, thank you to Arnila for answering the question, and to questioner Lorenza, are you understand our answer?
Yes, thanks for a group for. I can understand answer.
Okay, thank you, Lorenza. And the next question from Miana will be answered by Koirunisa.
Thank you, moderator. I want to answer for Miana question. An event is newsworthy if it is close to the audience. Proximity affects many people. In fact, recent timeliness of public interest influence famous give viewers prominence unusual or contains conflict. I'm back to moderator.
Okay, thank you to Koirunisa for answering the question, and to questioner Miana, are you understand for our answer?
Thank you, I understand. Thanks to group 4, I can accept the answer.
Okay, thank you, Miana. And now we go to the closing session. The conclusion of today's learning is news is a factual and actual report about events that are relevant, important, and impactful to the public. It must be based on truth, recent developments, and provide useful, unbiased information. The journalistic process involves collecting, writing, editing, and publishing news through print, electronic, or online media, ensuring that accurate and timely information reaches the audience effectively. Okay, that's all our presentation from Group 4. If there are words that are less pleasing, please forgive. Thank you.